Hello, beautiful Libra, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Blossom Life Tarot. I am your reader, Vandana, and I'm going to tell you about the events and the vibrations which I see for you in the month of August in my cards and in your cards, rather. So, let's quickly see what is exactly we are seeing in this month specifically, and what are the vibrations I'm getting for you for the month of August 2020, Libra. So, let's get ahead. As usual, we're going to pick a card which is your theme of the month card, the kind of theme you're getting from the universe for yourself, the kind of vibrations you're getting. So this card represents your theme, your the vibration which will rule your month of August 2020. So here we go. I'm just flipping the card here, and it says manifestation, Libra. You're going to manifest very, very carefully and very, very honestly in the month of August. So whatever you manifest in the month of August, that will become your reality. If you want me to read this out loud, but then before doing that, I would like you to have a look, have a connect with your fairy. See what is she trying to give you, what is it that she's giving with her magic wand to you, and what exactly have you asked her, which you are getting granted by her magic wand. So it says manifestation. Be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now write it down on paper. Manifestation and step 1. Now, how do you manifest? What is the process of manifestation? Why the fairy says that write it down on a paper? You have to write it down. How? You will take a plain paper, take a diary, take a small notebook, and start writing your wishes on that. And write those wishes in present tense, Libra. Like, I am owning a property already. I'm an owner of a property already. And this is the address of the property. Like, if you already have an eye on a particular property and you are in a discussion with the dealer or the broker about it, write it down that it is already yours and it will become yours. Okay, same way in relationships, if things are not going okay and you want that to work out for you, your first step is taking a paper, write down your wishes and say that I already have a beautiful partner, I already have a compatible partner. Beauty comes secondary, compatibility comes first. Why? Because no matter how beautiful the person is, if the person does not is a compatible person with you, how will you live your life with that person? So ask for a compatible person for your life, who understands you, who will understand your feelings, who respects you the way you want that person to respect you. Okay, so this is the process of manifestation. Write things in present tense and it will start happening in the month of August. So do it now, so that when you enter in August, you're already manifesting your heart's desires, Libra. Okay, moving ahead with the first week's energies. Here we have the second week, we have the third week also here, and we have the fourth week. Why I have this smile on my face? Because your cards are fantastic for the month of August, Libra. So if the things were not going well with you for some time, get ready, buckle up, because this month is going to put you on your toes, because you have to work very hard. You're getting benefits also of your hard work, and things are going very well. Just don't overwork on yourself, because then you will feel a little punished, like, why is this happening with me, and then why is this. But here, since the hanged man is reversed coming in the last week, I think the situation will be different. So if you were feeling that you were being punished by the universe for a very long time, things were not happening your way for a very long time, so hold on. Universe is listening to your wishes now, and it will fulfill and grant your wishes to you. Your coming recovery is coming your way. You will be recovered out of all the pain what you've had till now, Libra. So cards are beautiful for you, and you're going to be the lucky sign of 2020 August amongst all the signs what I have read till now. Okay, let's get ahead. The very first week talks about some new property, some new offers, some new proposal which is coming your way. With that proposal, I think you were already waiting for that for a very long time, and you were feeling dissatisfied somehow. So now the cards are coming, which says that, hey, the new offer is coming your way. You need to be happy about it, and you're feeling satisfied. You feel complete now. So you think, and you will feel, and the kind of vibrations you will have for you is, oh, finally I have it. I have what I desired for, and my wishes are granted now, and I feel complete. So sense of completeness, satisfaction, and happiness is coming your way in the first week of August. I think the events will start unfolding itself in starting the last week of July, or maybe it has already started happening. Your good time is coming, Libra. Okay, so first week indicates that. In relationships also, if you were not doing well with your partner, if the past partner had become disinterested in you, I think someone new will just jump into your life and make your life all the more colorful if you look at it. But I will suggest you that just wrap up one relationship and then move into other, because the chances are that you will get into an extramarital affair, or maybe you will get into a third party relationship. The chances are very much there. So I am suggesting you wrap up one relationship, get over one relationship, tell the person, give the clarity to the person, and then move to the relationship, guys. So this is what the vibration is for you for the month of August 2020, a very first week full of a lot of spark, a lot of satisfaction. Okay. Second week talks about a lot of financial discussions, specifically discussions with your mother, discussions with someone who is managing you single-handedly, or maybe this person is a single mother or acts like a single mother. So there are discussions happening with this person, and if you are a single mother, there's a possibility you might get either a job, or maybe you will get into a discussion with someone for some financial exchange of financial exchange, prior to be precise. Also in emotional space, for few of you, I think you would want to not emotional, I would say this is again financial. In terms of finances, you don't want to tell about your finances, your savings, your money, what are you doing to people. You don't want to discuss it with anyone. See, you're holding everything so tight to your heart, so close to your heart, that you don't want to lose a single penny out of your hands. So no financial discussions in the month of August. So that's what the cards also suggest, that spend money on important things, spend money on important investments where you want to invest, but do not overspend money, and don't disclose your financial conditions to people who don't care, to be honest. So showcasing of money, finances is prohibited in the month of August 2020, specifically for Libras. Okay, moving to the third week, happiness is coming your way, emotional happiness, satisfaction, a lot of good time, family time, brightness is coming your way, Libra. And third week is also talking about some kind of I think if you are planning your family, if you're your family way, I think third week can give you that good news also with regards to your family life, or maybe if you're planning a family, a good news that can come your way. Also, people who are seeking emotional stability in the month of August, people who are not stable in life in terms of relationships in the month of August, I think third week will give you a lot of emotional stability, or your focus out of finances and everything, it will all move out and it will come to one point, which is only your emotional life, your relationship. So your focus will be your relationship in the month of August 2020, specifically the third week of the month. Okay, last week I already disclosed, it talks about recovery. So whatever you're working on in the third week, okay, whatever you have got in the first and second week, and if you had any problems still with those issues, you are going recovery way. You will have a friend who will guide you very well here. This person will give you very practical advice. This person is someone who's in his 40s, 50s right now, someone who will give you very, very nice advice, very unemotional, detached kind of an advice. So it is not be influenced by any emotional decisions, emotional things. It will only be driven by intellectual decision, intellectual logics. This is how you're going to follow that particular advice. So the Hanged Man had come into reverse position. Generally when I pull this card and it comes in a upright position, it talks about some kind of a monotony, some kind of a stagnancy in life, but then here it is reverse. So when it comes reverse, it talks about reversing all that situation. So if you're feeling monotonous, you're feeling stagnant, things were not moving for you, August will make it happen for you guys. So you just note it down, okay, that August is going to get you a lot of brightness in life, a lot of light, lot of happiness, lot of good news are associated in August 2020 for you guys. You can be happy about it. And let's quickly pull a card for you, which is your relationship card. and your angels, what they are trying to tell you in the month of August 2020, guys. We will pull that also. And a universe advice coming from universe, and advice coming from the universe. What exactly universe is telling you? Okay, so the first advice has come from your angels, second is your relationship advice, and third is a advice which is coming from the universe. The first thing says mediumship. You have the natural ability to connect with departed loved ones. So, people who have gone away from you, people with whom you are not in touch with, people with whom you have maybe this relationships were not that great. I think you are going to act like a mediator between people, those people, and people around you, so that the relationships can become better in the month of August. Okay. Uh, Another thing which is happening in your life, oh my god, there are two cards which have come for your relationship, guys. These will like stick together, so we're going to read both the cards together. um, you were born with one quality, which is confidence. Okay, and confidence is something which is there inbuilt in you, so you are going to use your confidence to actually make your partner believe in you, to win the confidence of your partner. So the confidence is working like a complimentary thing for you if in case your relationships were not going well, or for the people who are relationships were not going well in the month of August 2020. The other card, it talked about your destiny is for greatness on the wings of love. So it talks about that your primary role is like love is something which cannot be healed or fixed. You can't mend something like love, so it is something which comes, it stays there, and it goes as it is. Okay, so try to maintain the purity of love in your life the way it is. Okay, and do not mix things, try to manipulate things when it comes to love and relationship. Do not act too smart with your partner, because that is not going to be very very well with your partner or with you, Libra. So be careful there. Also, one more thing which is happening here is the more energy and loving intentions you will put in yourself, and more fearless you will be in terms of decision making in the month of August, the more your life will be clear. Okay, so have a blast in August 2020, Libra. This month is your month, and when the manifestation is happening as per your wishes and desires, I will suggest you that make most of it. Okay, so this time is positive. Take as much as advantage as much you can from August 2020. Be happy and reach me on 8448901791 for your personalized readings. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website for the previous client feedbacks on www.blossomlifetarot.com. You will find some interesting facts also on my website. Okay, take care, bye bye, and God bless you, Libra.